How is everyone doing today? I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. This is Mystery License Plate Package 307. Whatever could it be? Something in an envelope. One of these amazing yellow envelopes full of mystery plates. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Go back and watch all my old mystery plates. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Go back and watch all my old mystery plates. Did you get that? Huh? Okay. Well, the Crazy License Plate Guy. Best place to watch is on YouTube. But if you're somewhere else, it's all good. What we got? New Jersey sample plate for Rutgers University with the Knights. That's pretty cool. RU, a whole bunch of zeros. We'll see if we can find a non-sample version of this plate. Maybe some other New Jersey samples. But only in the special features. But only in the special features. How cool is that? New Jersey College, Rutgers University sample plate. Kind of dull colors, but it is what it is. So I'm going to put this on the wall, and we'll see you guys in the special features. Right there under Hawaii. It's on the wall. We'll see you guys in the special features. It's on the wall. See you guys in the special features. Woo! Woo! Looks like you made it. Mystery plate package 307 special features. We got that Rutgers, however you pronounce that, sample plate above my head. Yeah, it's a university in New Jersey. True story. The Knights. The Knights. Yeah, that's what it is. So I wound back the clock and found some cool samples from way back in the day. This orange one, I can't remember what year it is, 1926, orange and white. Then 1934, black and green. Those are cool, and they're heavy, like real steel, those bad boys. And then we jump ahead a few more years, cream and black, little square plate, 1946. I picked this one because of the inner child in me laughed that it has Pood on it. That Pood plate in that ugly cream color. And then we'll jump ahead a little farther to the 70s. We get this sample, BAC 000, the Garden State, New Jersey. So let's see if we can find some college plates. How about that? College plates? What do you think? We got the blue one, the Rutgers in the blue, 91, 92 base. 92 to up to 2015, they went with this cream base. So here's one of that plate with normal numbers, not the sample. I feel like we got a few more schools to show you. Who else is on the list? We got Seton Hall. Oh, no, rewind the clock. Rewind the clock. Seton Hall. That's what we got. The Pirates. I'm messing it all up, people. Don't worry about it. And then we got the same base as everything else. Right? The normal Rutgers. We got Rutgers alumni, different logo, little circle with the R in there. We got their newest logo, just a big giant red R. R. I like the Knights better. The Knights look cool. But, yeah, roll back the clock. I don't know how many of these we showed you because I'm messing it all up. But Penn State, they got the cool Panther in there. And then there's the Knights. And the other guy. Yeah, we showed you the other one. The Pirates. They're all kind of cool. Mr. Plate Package. Special features. 307. Hope you guys are enjoying this show. Hope you like the special features. Found some cool stuff this time. New Jersey. It's up there somewhere around my head floating around. The Knights. Rutgers College. State University. whatever you want to call it. It's Mr. Play Package. Special features, 307. I'm out of here. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Go to college, learn something, have some fun. Go watch all my videos, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Woo! Shout out to alpka.org for letting me access the archives again for another mystery plate package. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. Go check out Alpka today, become a member, sign up, get the magazine, check out the archives, meet a lot of cool people. It's alpka.org. It's a mystery plate package, 307, and I'm gone.